Secretary Lucas Bersamin, Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, Senior Deputy Speaker David Suarez, Deputy Speaker Janet Garin, Representative Marcelino Libanan, Minority Leader, former President and Representative Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, sponsor, conferee, and principal author, Representative Jervin Luisno, Representative Isabel Maria Zamora, Chairperson Gamaliel Cordova, and PLLO Head Yusek Adrian Carlos Bersamin. May we now request the President to please ascend the stage and approach the presidential table.
Tabi sila na Escudero ba?
Sino?
Si Escudero at saka si Marcos. Kaaway na sila eh. Plastikan mo na lang.
Ba yan? Mga plastikan naman sa politika?
Marcos sign. Now given fiscal.
Kumain ka na ba?
Wow.
The President may now proceed to sign the enrolled copy. Signing the harmonized version of Senate Bill number 2982 and the House Bill number 11358, which shall be known as Republic Act number 12233, entitled An Act Defining the Scope and Extent of the Fiscal Autonomy of the Judicial Branch of the Government and for other purposes. This measure aims to affirm the fiscal autonomy of the judiciary as enshrined in the Constitution and to strengthen its power as a co-equal branch of the government. Thank you, Mr. President.
Nagkamayan silang dalawa.
May we request the Associate Justices to please go up on stage.
Plastikan ng mga to. Si Escudero ba? Why? Mga na, sunod na. Lahat na.
Thank you, Chief Justice Gasmundo and the Honorable Associate Justices. You can now exit on your left.
Mga matatanda na itong iba. Tingnan. Parang si Ang